Yes, boys, welcome back to another trade recap. This is very late right now, so I've got to be quiet, um, stay chilled out for this one. It is 1:30 in the morning, but we're going to be recapping the trades I took, well, yesterday, today, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, the Friday, the 24th of April. Earlier today, took two trades, both break even. Fucking break even's been doing me over in April. But yeah, we're going to do a quick trade recap because it is late and I'm trying to get to bed. But I knew I needed to do something today and this was it. So yeah, we'll go through it quickly. Anyway, coming into the day, not hard at all. Like, look at this shit. Like, how can you be bearish? Obviously, very bullish. And coming into the day, I wanted longs off either this 1 hour fair value gap or this 1 hour fair value gap. I just wanted to see some sort of displacement lower to one of these fair value gaps than longs, which we got. So yeah, I'll go through them now. But yeah, bullish bias, and that's what I wanted. Have it this fair value gap, but ideally I would want to see us come into this more discount fair value gap, just because it's just a better entry, and that's what we got. So yeah, bang, market open, boom, get this lovely candle, and there is a trade right here. Let me go back. And I feel like a lot of people do this, and it's such a bad trade. It really is. So for this trade, yeah, we're in this 1 hour fair value gap here. This 1 hour fair value gap here. We've got this one below. Reminder, we've got this one below. So we've got this one here. This, I mean, without this, it's probably not a bad trade, but yeah, we're in this 1 hour fair value gap. We've tapped into this more discount 5 minute. We're in this 15 minute, and there's a 30-second inversion here somewhere. Yeah, there's an SMT as well, as you can see. SMT with this low that ES took it, NQ didn't. And yeah, there's a 30-second here, but I can't show because I don't have it. And I feel like a lot of people would have took this. So let's just say here, and you would have targeted here. You would have gone for this. And it did end up, yeah, it did end up doing decent, but it's probably a break-even trade, this. As you can see, we started, this is just generating liquidity. But the reason for this trade, why it's horrendous, first off, we're very close to this more discounted 1 hour fair value gap. Second off, look at this, boys. Yes, 1 hour equal lows. Literally from where, with this trade, where people would have took this trade, which was, where would you have took it? Literally, I'm looking now. Here. People would have took it here. 935. And we literally formed equal lows right at this fair value gap. We did not tap into, ES did not tap into this. So if you took this trade, horrendous trade, I'm just going to keep it real deep. Dense, ES did not tap into this fair value gap. It's made equal lows. NQ has not tapped into this fair, like, I don't need to go over it, like, it's just a bad trade. But yeah, probably would have been break even if you took that. You got lucky, but yeah, we got displacement down. We've generated this sort of low resistance liquidity with all this liquidity. We gained some sort of low resistance, and this is what I'm looking for. And bang, NQ and ES both have now tapped into this 1 hour. So once this happened, you scale down, went to the 15 minute. I'm looking, this is the lowest I want to see it go. If we displace through this 15-minute fair value gap, I probably won't even trade, because that's the only thing I really wanted. If we displace through this, there's more chance of shorts. So this was the lowest I wanted to see it go, this 15-minute fair value gap. And yeah, as you can see, bang, it's tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap perfectly. We made an SMT with ES. NQ has took this low, ES hasn't. And this I was just so perfect. And then this, the first trade I took a 2-minute inversion. And the only issue with this trade is there was news at 10, orange folder news, which I didn't realise. And if I did realise, I would have waited till after 10 to enter this trade. But I literally entered this trade at 10 AM. That after the 2-minute inverse. So yeah, I've got 2-minute inverse. It was a quick break even because we formed this 5-minute fair value gap. So I was going break even literally at this 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, we got the 2-minute inverse. Then we had this news candle. So I realised it here after this crazy candle. I was like, bruh, we need this 1 minute to hold. Like, I realised it was news, and I was like, I'm gonna get stopped out here. Hopefully this 1 minute hold, and this 1 minute held. And yeah, beautiful displacement up. Came into this 5-minute, and that's when I went break even, and bang, break even right there, which I do not mind. Good break even, unfilled. You've always got good break even at 5-minute fair value gaps. It's an unspoken rule. I mean, it's not, like, definitely could have. Like, I was confident, but yeah, I knew if not, I could just get a re-entry off this 5-minute inverse. So yeah, break even there. Didn't realise we had news. If we had news that this was the news candle. If I didn't realise, fucking, I'm tired. If I realised we had news, I would have entered probably like, if there's I don't know if there was a 30-second at this 10:01 candle, but if there was, would have entered somewhere here. Break even still there, but yeah, there's the first trade break even. So yeah, that was the first trade, and then second trade. The exact same thinking here. We're still respecting this. We've just got an even better entry here. If we get this 5-minute inverse, I'm in this. We're also about to get a CISD, so I'm like, yeah, this is perfect. I was really confident in this, so I was looking at this 3-minute first to see if we inverted this 3-minute. But we did not. We did not hear. So I was like, I might as well wait for the 5-minute. I got in about 5 seconds earlier before the 5-minute candle, just to get that bit of a better entry. Got in here, stops at this low. TP, like my TP was meant to be right here, but obviously with that stop loss, it's just not a good RR. So obviously I've got to go for a bit more just to get that 1-to-1. And yeah, look, this shit's annoying. Yeah, I'm zoning out. But yeah, I've entered in that 5-minute inverse, and then this was my break even spot right here. Well, it depends what gets hit first. So if we hit this 15-minute intermediate higher in NQ first, and break even there. But if ES hit this unfilled 15-minute, and break even on that. So I was just waiting. Bang. So we see the ES hit this unfilled 15-minute first. So that's when I was break even. Break even here. Had no risk on the table now, so I was completely fine with this trade. And because ES did hit this unfilled 15-minute, my plan was to just get out the trade here, because I had a feeling we were going to go down to break even. But I thought we would hit at least this 15-minute intermediate high first before going down to break even. So I was like, thinking I was break even. We had no risk on the table, so thinking, right, let me just get to let NQ just get to this, then I'm just gonna exit the trade fully for it's a bit of a shit RR, but at least we can get some profit on the table, because I just have a feeling once NQ hits this, we're just gonna come back to my break even anyway, because ES is in this unfilled 15-minute, NQ's about to sweep this 50-minute intermediate high, so I was like, yeah, I'll get out this trade then. And just look at this shit, bro. Look at that. Are we dead ass? That close to being out of the trade for profit. And I actually risked more on this, so I would have made about 0.6%, which is pretty good on this funded. Like, I do not mind making, and it's a winning day, so that's all I needed. So it is a bit annoying, and yeah, this shit just pissed me off, to be honest, and stopped me out right here because I put my break even a bit higher, somewhere here. Well, no, I put my break even here after this 1 minute, and I was getting really pissed here because I thought this is going to shoot back up. But yeah, break even. That was exactly my thought process. So it is what it is. Could have definitely held this trade. On this trade, I've deleted it now. Could have definitely held both these trades. Let me. Come on. There we go. And then let me get it in. 2 seconds, boys. As you can see, if I play this out, both these trades ended up hitting TP. This trade, I mean, this trade, both, like, yeah, it's just one of them days, man. Like, break even, valid break even spots. It's not like, you know, emotions got the better and I went break even where I shouldn't have or something like that. It is what it is. I cannot moan. I really cannot. I follow my rules, follow my system, and it's just what happens. I got my bias right, got the trade ideas right. It's just break even on both. But I feel like I've just waffled there a lot. I am very tired. 12 minutes, Jesus Christ. I think that's my longest trade recap. But yeah, 2 break evens. I'm done for the weekend now, and we'll be back Monday, ready for another week. So yeah, join the Discord. This fucking tattoo, holy fuck. Join the Discord, first link in the description. Use, oh, that's actually 20% right now, not 290, 220. Use code SMG at Alpha Futures for 20% off right now. You've got until the end of April, so you've got, wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You've got 6 days, pretty much a week left of that code, so get your fucking evos in at Alpha Futures, code SMG. Join the Discord, like I said, follow the socials, and yeah, I'll catch you next week, boys, unless, I don't know what other videos to do except trade recaps, but I'll figure it out. Follow the TikTok, I'm always posting on there. But yeah, join the Discord because I'm always talking to people in there. I'm always posting my trades straight away. So yeah, TikTok, code SMG at Alpha Futures, and in a bit, boys.